In cities, there are rows of chimneys up to the sky. The blue sky is polluted with smoke given off. Pollution and the lack of electricity are resulting in energy crisis. The global development is continuously faced with all kinds of challenges from it. Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited keeps pace with global development and draws a new blueprint for green energy revolution. Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited was set up due to the reform of new energy, taking on the responsibility of building up boutique PV station as its core mission. From the production of crystalline silicon solar cells to photovoltaic modules, and then to the application of distributive solar power system, we continuously seek development and innovations through global viewpoint and advanced technology. Since its establishment, we have obtained various certificates and honors at home and abroad, including ISO 9001 certification of solar panels and solar system, and a variety of product certifications such as CE, TUV, and UL. In 2017, we were selected by CCTV as the preferred brand in PV industry and honored as one of the top 10 brands of 2017 Chinese PV service providers. In the same year, we handed in hand with Guangzhou RNF Football Club, entering China Football Super League. We also constantly fulfill our corporate social responsibility and contribute to the social development through a series of public welfare activities. R&D is the core competitiveness of Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited. Namkoo has more than 10 years experience in the production of solar silicon chip and solar panels. With a strong design team, a series of R&D patents, and modern laboratories and factories, as well as the rich experience of cooperation with domestic and foreign well-known universities. Distributive solar power system has various structures, which are mainly divided into 4 major systems: residential power generation systems, industrial and commercial power generation systems, pump systems, and street lighting system. Namkoo can build solar power stations for personal family, industrial and commercial plants, agricultural greenhouses, and municipal road projects, allowing users to save money and enjoy the pleasure of heat insulation. Providing high-quality product and considerate services are the service philosophy of Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited. Based on the insisting on the high-quality products and effective market expansion, till now, Namkoo reached the target of annual output of solar panels 500 megawatts and the installed capacity of solar power system 50 megawatts. We also established long-term and stable cooperative relationship with more than 200 customers from 30 countries and districts around the world. Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited provides one-stop and door-to-door services, fulfilling up the demands of customers all the way around. Namkoo Power Company Limited adheres to the mission of development of new energy and makes joint efforts with thousands of households to make it become the mainstream of society.